One of the greatest challenges facing the world today is drug and substance abuse.
Drug and substance abuse is one of the biggest challenges the world is facing today. The most worrying part of the situation is that it is affecting the youth more, who are the future of this country.
This year, NACADA, in collaboration with the Ministry of Interior, African Union and ISSUP, will hold the first ever International Drug Demand Reduction Conference. The conference will run from 10th to 14th December 2018 at the Kenyatta International Convention Center. The theme of the conference is Thinking Globally, Acting Locally.
This conference will bring together various professionals in the area of demand reduction, and therefore will provide an opportunity for the Kenyan professionals to interact with those international professionals and other researchers, and will also provide an opportunity to share experiences and best practice.
For registration and payment details, visit www.issup.net/registration.